Inside the car now, 200 cell downpipes, and then the full Valvetronic equal length F8x system. Definitely a really enjoyable sound setup. It's just so nice to hear how good this car can really sound with the right setup. There are other equal length setups out there, but this setup with the equal length in the front section, and then having that single 3.5, you really get that nice, raw, high-pitched sound, which is just so enjoyable throughout the RPM range. Even the downshifts, too, are nice and crisp. And we're not huge fans of the burble tune around here, so keep those pops off. All you get is some nice, natural, aggressive sound.